Good night. My name is Roberto Villamizar Parada. Strict 3 Identity Technology Evaluate March 30, 2020. Tutor Juan Carlos Amezquita, Esther Central Area. Growth 2220 32 51. Spec 3 Identity Technology Evaluate Concept Math. The canon blend of evaluation method by technology manager in chance on the project. The methods of battalion of company are framework of analysis from which it is tried to calculate what is the real value or the theoretic price of the company. Cause freaking mixtaking in the creative on the business model, in the creation on the bootstrap, about the discount rate and the nice owns company, win calculation of forecasting expect fraud, win calculation determinal value in coincidences and concept euros. Consequence: the mice than what instant white it is case to determine the liquidation value of an specific person. It is much more difficult to find how much that asset is worth in combination with the rest of the company recourse and that void and value is precisely what motivates the budget, the lack of an objective criteria that hurts under than with the multiples of sector how recommendation. The importance of the valuation of company life in stability may outside objective were today the most complete indicator that avoid grasp at the taste in of value creation. The company technology evaluation process are part of the daily work of modern organization. The champion competition forces companies to maintain an accelerated rate of improvement and change that must be managed in the best way in order to avoid the best impact on the result on the actual. Bibliografía, referencias. Thank you very much.